Because there has been some talk of some street signs of life thanks to record low mortgage rates, but let's forget the talk. Let's find out the real deal on each coast. Joining us now from San Diego is Jim Kling. He is a real estate broker at Kling Realty. And from Tampa, Florida, Peter Murphy, CEO of Home Encounter in Tampa. First to you, Jim, are you seeing any signs of life in your real estate market?
It's good in San Diego, Brian. I think the shortage of inventory we have here is due to two things. There's not enough foreclosures coming on the market, and the sellers who are elective about selling are pricing too high. And it makes it kind of look like there's stagnation in the inventory. There's a lot of houses sitting around, but if they were just priced reasonably, there's lots of buyers who want to get in when rates are at 4%.
Well, this is it. Rates are at 4%. We've got historically low rates right now. Peter, are you seeing that those low rates are having any impact, a positive impact at all? On housing sales in your area?
Yeah, not here in Tampa Bay. And it's because, like the other gentleman said, prices are still too high. And credit standards are quite high, too. We have about a 10 to 12% unemployment rate here locally. And that unemployment rate is just too high to allow a lot of people who would otherwise be great candidates for these great low prices and amazingly low interest rates to jump into the market. They're not able to do it when they don't have credit and they don't have jobs. So, no, it's not driving sales like we would like it to.
Hey, Jim, when I sold my house about a year and a half ago in San Diego, in Carmel Valley, it was fascinating because there were buyers sitting in apartments with lots of cash ready to buy because there hadn't been inventory. What's the situation with that right now?
It's very similar. It's been this way for the last 2 years. Lots of cash buyers and buyers with big down payments. And that really helps when people start talking about income. Where are these people going to be making the money to make their payments? Well, if they put down a big down payment to keep their payments lower, that really helps.
Peter, what percentage of your potential buyers or the potential buyers in your area are A, paying cash, or B, unable to get a loan if they're not all cash?
Well, a large number are paying cash, or at least were. We had about 20% of all buyers who were paying cash, and it seemed like
they're paying 100% cash.
Yes, 100%. Wow. But that's because they were buying foreclosure real estate. They were investors, and investors here locally were who was driving the housing market. Not first-time home buyers or repeat buyers, but investors who are buying up that bottom product.
Yeah, to that point, Jim, what you're seeing in terms of the people who are lining up to buy these foreclosed homes, these distressed homes, are they buying it to live in it? Are they buying it to rent it? Are they buying to flip it and make a profit on it? I mean, what kind of people are out there buying?
I think it's a pretty even mix between those three. There's many people that are just organic buyers that want to buy a house to live in. And there literally aren't enough reasonably priced homes compared to all the ones that are overpriced. And that's what makes them stand out. That's why there's a big rush to them, and people end up paying either that price or higher in a bidding war because there's such a shortage.
Jim and Peter, it was a pleasure to have you both on Street Signs. We're getting right down to the nitty-gritty on your real estate markets, and we do appreciate it. Thanks for coming on the program.
You're welcome.
Thanks for having me.
All right, is your